the Association of Plastic Recyclers represents everyone involved with plastics recycling. So I work
Yeah.
specifically with states, federal governments, a little bit in the Global Plastics Treaty around how to improve plastics recycling, to reduce barriers, to create the right incentives moving forward.
Right.
And it starts first with making recycling easy for residents. So, the biggest barrier is, do you even have a recycling bin? Is it
Yeah.
convenient? Or do you know what you can put in your bin? Can we just make it easier that, plastic bottle goes in everyone's bin across the country, no questions asked? So we do a lot of work to make sure that communities have access to programs, and then we also do a lot of work with packaging companies. So we've got a lot of PhDs on our staff who are really well versed in polymer science and packaging
Mm.
design. And so they help companies design products to be more recyclable. So the example I like to give is that plastics recycling is a lot like doing the laundry. And when you throw your red shirt in with the white laundry, there's a lot of pink
Yeah.
that comes out, right? And we
Yeah.
can only sell so much pink plastic. So, it's
Sure.
more effective when we can work with companies to design the products to be recyclable and to give companies incentives to make those products more recyclable. So, trying to streamline across the entire process. One of the really, I think, interesting shifts that's happening right now is a lot of recycling has traditionally been managed at the local level, like your
Right.
town is deciding what to recycle. That's a really bad way to manage a supply chain, and to have 20,000
Sure.
individual towns making decisions. So we're starting to shift towards some new programs around industry-run programs, saying, okay,
I like it.
we take the example of Colorado. Colorado passed a law in 2022 that said, we want to increase the recycling rate. We're going to create an industry organization. That organization is in charge of increasing the recycling rate, how they're going to pay for it, how they're going to manage it. You're going to work with local communities. You're going to work with private industry. You're going to drive innovation in the state. Here's your target, make a plan, go. So, really kind of
Yeah.
shifting to having the companies that make the products and packaging help manage the system to get those materials back.